Hello guys, welcome to another episode. This is going to be a short and sweet episode because I'm filming on my phone. But I put some new headlights in because I'm getting rid of the ones with the angel eyes because they've got the HID box and just take up too much room with wires and all that shit. I've got a new intake elbow thing, just put it on. I've had to, let me get down here, you can't really see, but behind that there's a bracket that's on the end of the frame rail. When Liam tapped the wall, it sort of bent and popped off, so tack welded that back on. Sat the whole Rio back on, put the headlights in obviously. I'm about to put this new Rio I got on, because the Rio that Liam tapped the wall with, the shock on this side's a bit stuffed up. I've got a new front bar, which will look pretty mad. You'll get the gist when it's on. Got a radio to put in, some speakers. I can put the little side skirt back on. I've got the, so I'm not going to do the turbo build before matsuri. I was going to, but I've moved house, everything's been hectic. I'm just going to put the M52 B28 exhaust manifolds on instead of these crappy cast iron ones, which the only problem with those ones, they let off a bit more heat. I'll just make a simple heat shield, easy, done. Tested all the headlights and indicators, they all work. But yeah, we're gonna chuck this front bar on and the Rio on. I'll make a little time lapse of that, so yeah, stay tuned. Well, that's that. New bash bar's on. Matthew's just finishing off the last few bolts. We'll drill a few holes in the side of this for the cable tie mount. I still got to actually mount this back to the car. This back to the car. Here the front bar on, and then I'm going to tack these engine mounts. So I sort of broke all the engine mounts. Well, Liam, me, whoever, but you shouldn't be able to move an engine that much. And my gearbox moves a fair bit, so I've got to change all gearbox and engine mounts. Let's get to it. Well, I got carried away, my phone's almost dead, but we've got one of the engine mounts out. Oh, yeah, we got one of the engine mounts out. It's not looking too bad. About to get the other, so the engine mount on this side didn't break, it was just the, what is it, this. So a new one of them. But now, can't find the new engine mount I got. I know it's here somewhere. Thought I left it here. I'm going to try and put this on before the event as well. It's just one of those X-brace things. Got it from the Wreckers for 14 bucks. Hell yeah! Yeah, we did have the front bar on, but took it back off so I can check the engine up to get this engine mount out. Phone's about to die. Gotta go get a battery phone charger and find this damn mount. Okay, I'm back. My phone died last night. That engine mount's out. We got new mounts here. I got a clutch fan to go on. I'm gonna put the manifolds on, the X-brace that's over there, and whatever else we can find. Well, me and Zach have smashed out the engine mounts. Now, I need to find a radiator ASAP. I might take these exhaust manifolds off. Put the little pod filter setup back on, which I've sort of changed up a bit since the last one. I need to put a hose clamp on that, but basically take screw in the end of there, just so I can mount it off the factory airbox location, and then, basically something like that. Yeah, we're gonna get to it. Hello guys, I'm back. Working on the Beamer. Kind of keep getting sidetracked, but the M50 B28 or M52 B28 exhaust manifolds are on. I'm about to go pick up the radiator from Inlax Wreckers. That horrible noise is Sam. He's here in his JC Cressy, setting it down, getting ready for paint. He's going to paint that today. I'm just admiring how the hell this brace lines up. I might look like I'm looking at a completely new car we've never seen before. This is Sam's JC Beast. These are the other panels. It's gone black. It looks fucking mint. I did it all in the factory. Down there painting it. Front bar, rear bar, and quick lift another coat. It's getting there. Starting to look thin. Got to be full on. Full timing. Hello guys, what's going on? This is going to be a bit of a short video because it's just got tons of clips of during the week, but I dropped the car off to Tori, got a cage, so let's have a look at that. Pretty mad. I'll have to take it out and paint it. I thought he might have painted it black or something with rattle cans, but oh well. I'll take it out after matsuri and give it a nice paint. But that looks sick, it's all in there. It's all cam spec. Pretty much the last thing I'm going to do is tighten this handbrake a little bit because it's not engaging until I'm out there. But that's alright, it's still something. Up here, new front bars are on. Looks sick. New pod filter setups on. V8 V28. Exhaust manifolds on. The new radiator. The new overflow. Yeah, it's all come together. Let me move all this. I've also made some ghetto ass bonnet pins that I've got to drill a hole through so I can put a pin through it still. But that's them. Just literally got some random circle things and welded the nuts in the middle. It's not pretty, but I'm broke coming up to matsuri, so this is saving money. Beautiful, they're not going anywhere. So yeah, thanks for watching as always guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for matsuri. It's going to be mint. Oh yeah, and a new exhaust tip.